The Swizzle stick, the Ultra Swizzle, and took it on its maiden flight here this afternoon. The sun didn't come out, but the rain stopped long enough to take it for a flight. It flew very well. It only took just a couple notches of trim. Flies like a cross between my Valiant and my Ultra stick. Couldn't be happier. I took off and I was just expecting that it was going to go somewhere sideways, and it just flew like it was on rails. Really not much to tweak, just a couple of odds and ends, and a couple pieces of more of trim, and then we're all done. Put her in the lineup.